get the shit I done seen. Young boy done turned to a king. Then that boy J got a lot of cream. How that boy living out our dreams. Tryna figure out how to be mixed. He boy with some chicks on a light chick. I heard that boy time for a nice chick. Tryna see this shit clear through the chrome specs. They heard that boy got a water neck. The jet boy tryna find him like Nemo. When they knocking on, look through the
King Boy Channel. Today here we are here. As you see in the video title right here, I got my wheel lights installed on my truck. I got quad rows. So it's actually pretty bright. They're not high intensity, but they are really bright for what they is. So anyway, I'm going here and show you what my F-150 how my wheel lights is. I had one of my friends that own 998 Customs. He's actually installed them. He does a pretty good job. I ain't gonna lie. Good fab guys. Also he does back glass builds too. So like you want like a back glass wall or something like that, like a box, or maybe I think he also does dabble in a little bit of the custom doors. But anyway, besides that, I got these quad rows right here, and so I'm gonna show you how they look like right here. As you see right here, it comes with a remote. A lot of your quad rows, I mean most wheel lights, especially a cheaper end, just a switch on and off. As you can see, these come with remote, so these are a little bit more higher end right here. So check out this right here. I got them on static. Y'all see it right here. If you look at the buttons right here, I got blink, which makes it blink. Back and forth, as you can see right here. Pretty clean. I actually like that little feature right there. You see how they flash back and forth? I got a wig wag. I don't know what wig wag 1 does. Okay, you see it? It goes in between each tire right here, as you can see. I got another setting right here, wig wag 2. That changed the order. You see how it goes front and back, and then it goes to the other side, front and back, front and back, front and back. And I got strobe. You can also change the speed of it, change the brightness, lower the brightness. And strobe is pretty much, as you can see, like this right here. But you know me, man, we gotta ride clean out here, so we're gonna keep it on static. We're gonna keep that mug on static. So like you see right here, I got on static now. Everything lit up like a Christmas tree, like a UFO. Y'all see it? FTS. You already know. I got my lights on right here too. But yeah, check it out. Pretty dang clean right here. These are, if you see how they build, these are some of the best built quad rows I ever got too. The bracket is really thick. The bracket is like this thick right here. As you can see, you might be able to see a little bit better on the side angle right here. They don't bend, they're not flimsy. They're probably, I'm gonna say they probably the best quality built wheel lights I don't seen. Like as far as how, cause this is like a steel beam, man. This is actually like really, like it's not, it ain't flexible. Like you can't just, you know, bend it. I mean, it don't shake or nothing in the wind or nothing. It's top quality for sure. So y'all see it right here. I got the wheel lights on the truck. Everything looking good, lit up like a UFO. And yeah, we're gonna cut to this montage.
No, this it's just some, you know what I'm saying, shady baby shit, you know, Southside, you know, the real ones, you know. Eat it. I'm in back at that back with that car park. Styrofoam cups full of walk hot. The fish can't swim with the big sharks. Slid on they block and I left a mark. But shit real wasn't no key to start. Used to get parts from the pull apart. Used to make plays on the boulevard. Forecasting, I'm changing the weather. Hop out that Tesla with me and Lil Tesla. I could've left us, said fuck it and kept her. Crew all together, we deep like shelter. You don't wanna pressure, my coat made a feather. She thought she was special, I'm just a good tester. My career successful, I'm always respectful. I came out the ghetto and known to be careful. And it made bad, the two-tone with the pillow. Ain't gotta push me, that made me a killer. I see where he looking, he hope I don't hit him. That can be this, I don't